What's good now? Today, finna get a little bit of a pattern update, how this wolf is going, and also how this channel is going, and big changes I'm finna be making. Let's get into it. So, my original plan for this wolf, I cut this wolf to a 1.5 in the last day of August. And my plan with that was to go on a nice long 12 weeks wolf and then cut that off. But admittedly, man, I ain't really been brushing like that, yo. I was not putting in no work like that, bro. I was not really putting in that work, and as you can see, man, I gained a fork right there, bro. That's what happens when you don't be brushing, bro. If you slack off and brushing, bro, there's consequences, yeah. Gained that fork right there, yeah. And then like my waves just wasn't looking good, like my right side over here, like over curling and stuff. But that's okay though, I can always bounce back. But you know, I just had a lot of things going on. I've been very, very, very busy as of late. And also that's been like affecting the channel as well. So you can see I have not uploaded a full-length video in 2 weeks. Doesn't mean I haven't been working on it though, bro. I got a lot of things in the works. There should be a video coming out either today or tomorrow, depending on when I finish that editing it and the thumbnail. And more videos to come. For now on, we're not gonna go more than 1 week without uploading. And shorts, y'all will see like probably a YouTube short as close to every day as I can do. But after, November passes, when we get into December, that's when the channel's gonna kick back up again. Thank you for all the support, man. We had, how much subs, man? We got 800 subs right now, bro. I appreciate y'all, bro. Roll to 1K, bro. We so close. 200 away, bro. But yeah, when you're not brushing, bro, this is a warning, bro. If you're not putting in the work, you lose progress. That's how it goes. And to be honest, like, I was even thinking of scalping at one point, cause like, I was just like, man, bro, my pattern, bro, is trash right now, bro. But I saw a comment, I'll pop it up on screen right now, if I can find it. And he was like, yo, bro, just get a haircut, bro, just get some extra motivation in, you feel me? So yeah, that's what I did. I cut my wolf down to a 2 grain, and I've been brushing like that again. I decided the hour-a-day thing for me and my schedule, the way I used to do that, back in the day, I used to just do like 150. I used to brush my hair for like 10 minutes in the morning, then like a 50-minute session when I came home. But that was last year. I'm a lot more busy now. I got a lot more things to do, a lot more homework, college applications, gotta go to the gym, gotta edit videos, record videos, can't always be doing that. So one thing that does help is I've decided I'm still gonna brush an hour a day because I need to get back in the brushing game, you feel me? I'm losing battles and stuff. So what I'm gonna do, do my little morning routine, but a 45-minute session every single day, at least one 45-minute session. On the weekend, I might do 2 45-minute sessions, depending on what I got going on. Cause that, especially when your hair is low, you don't have to comb out your waves or anything and then lay it all back down. When my hair is low, I just go in with like a medium hard brush, medium brush, soft brush, medium soft brush, rag up, whatever. And that's it. And also I'm making a lot of progress. Just from cutting your wolf and putting in the brush work, you make a lot of progress. So whenever you cut your wolf, bro, do not be slacking on that brush work, bro, because that is like the best time to make progress. This fork is about to be gone. This one too. And when this fully develops into a fork, we'll get rid of that too. And that, we got a lot of work to do, but I still believe we can be flawless by the end of the year, man. And we just gotta put in the work, stay consistent. Like I said, big things coming for this channel, so subscribe, bro. Stay tuned. I might be live streaming. I'll be live streaming. If you're seeing this video right now, I might be live streaming anytime in like the next hour, since this was uploaded to like 3 hours around then, like the day of after the day this video is uploaded, I'll be live streaming. So just stay tuned. I'll be answering. You'll be able to hop on a Discord call with me, and I'll be answering your wave questions. And you'll be on the Discord call, or whatever. Or if not, I just do a regular live stream. Let's see, love. We'll see. Thanks for watching. God bless. Ha.